Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out an article in thumbnail mode on the Bing application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this news button down below on the left side. Select an article, so tap on it, and after that you should click on this more button in the upper right corner of the screen marked with 3 dots, and then click on the first option, which is thumbnail mode. So tap on it, and here you can check out the article in thumbnail mode. If you would like to reset it to the original option, click on the button again and tap on expanded mode, so it will be reset to the original format. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.